Hi everyone. Financial fitness is equally important as any other aspects of life, just like physical fitness or emotional fitness. Most often, we all get too bogged down with one area, like, say we go to gym daily, but we forget the financial aspects. But it all has to be taken holistically together, and it's like what I call as circles of well-being. These are circles, like circles. It is never ending. It continues with a fresh start every day, one day at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 year at a time for the rest of the life. So these circles of well-being has to be handled across every regimen. Now the first one is financial wellness, right? So there are five circles of financial, or rather five circles to the path of financial wellness. What are those five circles? High savings, spending wisely, invest prudently, low debt, and money for your side gig. Now, very easy things. These would have been. There's nothing new I'm saying here. But what is my strategy towards each of this? So, first one is high savings. So it's a good idea to save, at least 30-40% of your income, which has been one of my fortitude, my strength all through this way. I've been a good saver, high saver, and that helps to increase amount that goes into the investing world. Second, spending wisely. So budget your needs and plan your wants. It's not that we should not have or buy our wants, but what I'm planning to do is reduce the frequency of the wants, like discretionary things like phones, keeping up with the latest version, keeping up with the watches latest version. Those things I'm going to reduce the frequency of purchase. Probably not keeping up with every version, but at the same time, not spending wisely, which means that not restricting myself to spend on things which are constructive, like buying a software for my work, or taking a course that will help me elevate my understanding or knowledge, or for my children. So that is gonna continue. Those are spending wisely. So it's a discretionary spend that I'm gonna cut off a bit in terms of the wants, but at the same time we all need to have the wants, and we all want to have the needs fulfilled. Third one is investing prudently. Investing prudently is like something, it's my passion. Investing as my foothold, it's my passion, so I have an edge there. Now invest wisely. When for people who are listening to this, I would recommend at least invest pre-tax income into tax deferred instruments like equities, 401ks, and it helps to invest in index funds if you're not very well proficient in picking up stocks, or in invest in real estate, etc. Now I also recommend highly to people to invest in stocks directly, because they have an exponential growth strategy, and they can help accelerate the path towards financial well-being. And I have started my courses at sandeepanand.com website. I am teaching how to invest in stocks, so if you're interested, do check out in the description. Now these courses are pretty much aimed at improving somebody's investing capabilities in choosing stocks wisely. Fourth one is to avoid debt or reduce the debt that we have. It is sometimes not possible to make it zero debt, but if we have debt, it's a good idea to have a control over the debt than the debt taking control over us. We should not get into the debt traps, which by all means should be avoided. Debt traps are nothing but taking more debt to pay off the existing debt at a higher interest, and the interest keeps accumulating. So to pay the interest, we take debt. That is very not so recommended. It's a very dangerous path towards bankruptcy. And preferably, I'm planning to have zero debt strategy going forward, which will help me have that financial freedom. Having zero debt is close to having financial freedom. Finally, investing or keeping that money and investing prudently in a side gig. Keep that, develop or build your side business. It could be whatever gig you want to get into. It could be a passion, it could be a hobby. Look at something that you can start, and as a service to customers. It could be a product that you can build, it could be a service, website, it could be a blog, it could be a write-up book, whatever that is. Parallelly invest in the side gig. I'm doing that since almost 10-11 years, which is investing for me. And I'm also doing service through my website, as I said, teaching investing through my academy, and multiple other ways like this YouTube channel. So different different sources and different channels to do the service, and that can help people. So if you look at building services and products that can help people, it's a great path, and that we enjoy. It can help follow our passion also. So that those are the five strategies I have in mind, and I have started acting on it, and I'm going to keep a journal towards seeing how I can measure it and improve as the time progress, so that the path towards the financial well-being is well under control. Just wanted to bring this up. Thanks for staying with me. Signing off, Sandeep Anand.